So, do you want a great method to make money online right now? This method is so easy, easy. You need to make sure that you take opportunity with this method because it's so easy. Anybody can do this. Your brother, your sister, your mom, your daughter, anyone, it doesn't matter. It's really easy. Now, what I'm going to show you requires you to pay full attention because I'm going to explain a few things that you need to pay attention to. Just watch the video all the way to the end so that you understand what you need to do. This is absolutely free. You don't have to worry about spending any money to do this, and it is available worldwide. So if you're in Africa or Australia or America, Asia, Europe, South America, we can actually all get access to this opportunity. Now you can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. I prefer to do this on my computer because I prefer a bigger screen, because it's just better to do it on a bigger screen, but it's up to you. You can decide what you want to use. Now, before I show you this awesome method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click subscribe and click on that notification bell so that every time I have a new video, you will get a notification. So if you go on Amazon.com, you realize that there's actually a lot of ebooks, Kindle books they call it, that are actually being sold. So if you go on Amazon, you type in Kindle books and you search, it's going to give you a whole bunch of different kinds of books that are actually selling. And as I speak to you, they are selling right now very well, to a point where they are best sellers, which means that these are actually selling at the very moment, and they are really doing well. For example, there's one that is going for $14, basically $15, and you can see over here 13,897 people have already come across this one and they've left a review over here. So let's take, for example, if we go and say 13,000 people multiplied by, let's say, $14. Look at this amount of money. That is about $182,000 simply for an ebook, basically for a book, which is absolutely ridiculous. It's amazing. I love it. It's so easy to do. For example, over here, 683. If let's take, for example, $14 and 683 people. So if we have 683 people and let's say $14, that's getting to $10,000 for just one simple book like this. I mean, it's really amazing, and it's working really well, and that is why I'm really sharing this with you, so that you can actually make the most out of this opportunity, because people are actually at home these days. People just have their iPads or on their computer or on their phones, and they just want to actually just browse through these ebooks, and they're really interested in reading ebooks at the moment. I just don't know why people are not reading actual like books, but people really love ebooks at the moment, and it's really awesome. So take opportunity because it's actually selling. So I'm going to actually show you a method how you can actually create this for free. You don't worry, you don't have to do any work. What I'm going to show you is basically going to do everything for you, and you can actually make money. So what you want to go onto is a website called visme.co. So it's visme.co. Basically, it's a place where you can actually create different kinds of things. So it's absolutely free. As you can see over here, there's more than 5 million users and 101 countries available. So you just want to click on sign up. It's free. So when you click on sign up, it's free. It's basically going to give you a sign up procedure. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with your email. I already have an account, so I'm going to go straight onto here. It's going to give you this option, what you want to use Visme for, if it's going to be personal, business, non-profit, education. So just make sure you just click on personal. So when you click on personal, then it's going to bring you onto this page, the create page. So basically now what you want to do is you want to click on documents. When you click on documents, it's going to provide you with different things that you can actually create. If it's a report, a plan, proposal, a resume, a cover letter, white papers, media press kit, newsletters, ebooks, surveys, and so on. We want to click on ebooks. So you want to make sure you click on ebooks so that they actually provide you with the ebooks. Make sure you click on that. So just wait for it to load to provide you with all the available ebooks that are actually available. So just okay. So I am here and these are the ebooks available right now. So for example, these are ebooks, these are the templates, which means that these are just examples that you can actually use and edit the words and edit the images inside of the ebook according to how you actually want them to look. So what exactly we're going to do, let's take for example, we want for example to have an ebook that has to do with weight loss or maybe diet or health. So let's take this example over here, then we want to click on edit. So when we click on edit, it's going to take us to a new page over here, which can actually enable us to edit different parts of the ebook according to how we want it. So for example, on the title, should I eat that? You can edit that to maybe, are you happy with, are you happy healthily? I don't know, just type in any random thing. You can just type in any random thing. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Basically you can just edit it. Maybe just type in health tips number 1. So over here, a step-by-step guide to staying healthy. Maybe I'm just giving you an example of what you can actually do with the ebook. So you can do different things as well. So that's just the cover page. Then it's going to take you have the table of contents over here, and the next page over here, the author's note. You can decide to type in something down here. It is up to you. You can just edit it according to how you want to do it. And these are actually free templates that you can use, so you can enjoy these as well, do whatever you want with them, and just edit the words and however you would like to have it. Now, if you actually want to have already made ebooks that are free for you to use completely, which means that you don't have to edit each word and you don't have to do all that, you can actually go onto a website called freeplrdownloads.com. So when you're on Free PLR Downloads, it's going to bring you to this page. It's basically a page where you can actually get access to different kinds of ebooks that are free to use without any legal issues, without any copyright issues, which means that you can do whatever you want to do with the ebooks. You can sell them, you can edit them, you can change the photos inside, you can change the title, you can do whatever you want to do with these ebooks. So if you're interested in that, all you want to do is you'll see the niches, which means the different kinds of topics. So let's take, for example, the health one over here. So when you click on health, it's going to provide us with ebooks concerning health. So we have here from flab to fab. Then we have diet and exercise expertise. Then we have healthy happy you. There's eating healthy. So let's click, for example, on eating healthy. So over here it will give you a brief description. about the ebook. It will tell you the size over here, the amount of pages of the ebook, and basically you just want to click on download over here. It's absolutely free to download, and that's about it. And then what you would like to do is you would like to actually go back onto Amazon and actually sell them. So in order for you to sell your ebook on Amazon, you need to go onto the Kindle Direct Publishing department of Amazon. It's free, don't worry, don't stress. It's kdp.amazon.com. When you're on kdp.amazon.com, you're gonna come over here. So basically this is the place where you can actually sell your ebooks and make money. Yes, self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. There's millions of people on Amazon that are always looking for new books and new ebooks to actually read. As you can see, get to market fast. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours, which is really great because they market it for you. You don't need to go around publishing it, you don't need to go around promoting it everywhere. They will actually do everything for you. So make more money, earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain. So always remember that if people are doing this, there's a reason why they are doing it. It's because it's working. So don't ever doubt the fact that you can make a lot of money from this, because the reason there are people who are actually making money from this, and as you can see over here, 8,980 just for this one, 5,590 people over here on this one. It means that people are actually interested in ebooks and they're actually paying to actually read your ebook. So don't ever doubt the fact whether yours is going to sell or not. Just make sure it's an interesting thing to read. If it's interesting, people are going to make sure to get it somehow. They will definitely find a way to access your ebook. It's not about you making the ebook and just hoping that it will sell or not. You will know whether it's good. You will know. So just find something that is nice, it's interesting, and put it out there. Just go onto Amazon, the Kindle Direct Publishing department, which is the KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing.amazon.com. So it's kdp.amazon.com. Then you will just click here, sign up. It's absolutely free. Just put in an email address, put in a password, and basically sign in. That's if you already have your account, of course. If you are new, it's free, don't worry. Just put in your name, your email address, your password, repeat your password, and create your account. So that's about it. Very simple to do. I hope it helps you. If you do have any questions, make sure to comment your questions down below in the comment section right now. Like the video, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free. And turn on the notification bell so that every time I have a new video, you will get a notification. And don't forget to check out my playlist on my channel. I have a playlist with different videos with different methods on how you can make money online. So just combine all the methods together and you can make yourself a decent amount of money every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.